bright and sunny morning, Lulu skipped outside and saw Grandpa Joe digging in the backyard.
Grandpa, what are you doing with the dirt?
I'm gardening, Lulu. Want to learn how to grow your very own plants?
Yes, please. Can we grow something yummy?
Every plant needs 4 important things to grow. 1. Soil. This is where the plant's roots live. 2. Sunlight. Plants love the sun like we love ice cream. 3. Water. Just the right amount, not too much. 4. Air. They breathe just like us, through tiny holes in their leaves.
That's easy to remember. Soil, sun, water, and air.
Now let's choose what to grow. We can plant flowers to make the garden colorful, vegetables like tomatoes or carrots, herbs like mint or basil.
Let's grow some carrots and roses.
Lulu helped Grandpa fill a pot with soil. She poked little holes with her finger.
Like this?
Perfect. Now drop a seed into each hole, cover it gently, and water it with care. Use a little water each day, not too much. Soggy roots don't like that.
Every day, Lulu checked her plants. She gave them sunlight, water, and love.
Look, Grandpa, a tiny green sprout.
That's your plant saying hello. Watch your plants grow and talk to them too. They love it when you care.
Weeks passed and Lulu's garden bloomed. Carrots peeked out from the soil. Sunflowers stood tall and proud.
I did it! I grew my very own garden.
Well done, Gardener Lulu. Growing plants teaches us to be patient and kind.
Want to start your garden too? Here's what you need to remember. Choose good soil. Make sure your plants get sunlight. Water them gently. Let them breathe. And most of all, give them love. Happy gardening, friends! See you next time for more nature fun!